सकते हैं. So let's join our hands, close our eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. Take one more deep breath and release. Take one more deep breath. Bring your focus to the present moment where you are now. And just be thankful for this divine time. Feel that universe, God has blessed you with this divine time, and that is your time. So say thank from your heart. I'm grateful to this time where I come here and do my gratitude practices. So thank you, universe, from the bottom of my heart for bringing us on this platform to come together and do our gratitude practices and understand what real gratitude is and start living by it. Thank you, universe, for blessing us with all the abundance that is flowing into our life and in the work area of money, relationship, health, and career. And day by day, we are understanding the real happiness lies in what we really want. So thank you for giving us that intelligence. Thank you for making me a channel of blessings so that I enlighten other people's life and they enlighten further. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So, how is how was till now's practices? We have done 5 chapters, 5 days. So, were you able to write gratitude more on your own? Did you do your magic rock practice? Have you got the rock with you or no? Because अगर practices नहीं करोगे तो कुछ result ही नहीं दिखेगा आपको. Main is your practice. Everything is here. Everything is here. जब तक इसको आप रेडी नहीं करोगे ना, इवन गेटिंग अप यू नो अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, आप जब तक अपने माइंड को कमांड नहीं देते हो रात को कि वेक मी अप, यू टेक द मैजिक रॉक इन योर हैंड और कोशिश करके देखना, ये एक्सपेरिमेंट करके कि directly you tell your mind once, one day, that wake me up at this time, and one day you take your magic rock and you do it, that you are going to wake me up, and you will see how you get up early in the morning. I do these experiments, so see, unless I implement on my own self, how will you understand, na? तो जब तक आपका खुद का एक्सपीरियंस इसमें नहीं होता है ना, आप दूसरों को बता भी नहीं पाते. दैट इज वाई सेड एक्सपेरिमेंट करो खुद से. एंड मैं अपने आप को चैलेंज करती हूँ, अरे तू इतनी बड़ी प्रैक्टिशनर है, जरा करके तो दिखा, हो सकता है क्या ये? डज इट रियली हैपन? आई टेल माई सेल्फ लाइक दैट. यस मंजू मैम, यू वर सेइंग समथिंग.
यस मैम. नहीं, ये जो आप बोल रहे हो ना, माइंड को ट्रेन कर दिया है, लाइक वी हैव टू वेक अप अर्ली, वो हो जाता है, अभी ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है.
यस,
एंड
बिकॉज
कुछ नहीं तो एटलीस्ट दैट ग्रेटिट्यूड अपने आप ही आ जाता है मैम. उसका भी कुछ ये नहीं है, लाइक इफ वी फॉरगेट ऑल्सो, सोने से पहले तो भी याद आता
आ
ही है.
जाता है. हाँ, राइट, दैट इज व्हाट ना. अगर हम दिन में कभी कोई चीज के लिए भूल भी जाते हैं ना, तो वो अपने आप, बिकॉज योर कॉन्शियस नाउ इज इन अवेयरनेस, यू आर गेटिंग. आपका कॉन्शियसनेस अभी अवेयरनेस में आ गया है. तो जब हम अवेयरनेस में आते हैं ना, तो हमारा खुद ही फिर माइंड बोलने लग जाता है, अरे यू डिड नॉट डू थैंक यू टुडे, और यू फॉरगॉट टू डू से थैंक यू टुडे, ऑल दिस, तो आप खुद ही अवेयरनेस में आ जाते हो.
एंड मैम, ये जो छोटे छोटे मैजिक मिरेकल्स होते ही रहते हैं. इट्स लाइक मतलब बोल भी नहीं सकते. जैसे चैलेंजेस आते हैं, अपने आप सॉल्व हो जाते हैं. ज्यादा सोचते बैठना नहीं पड़ता है. और
राइट,
जैसे पैसे भी चाहिए रहते हैं तो अपने आप किधर ना किधर से मिल जाते हैं, मतलब
एडजस्ट हो
कुछ.
जाते हैं, यानी आ जाते हैं.
यस, यस.
दिस इज व्हाट इज द, दिस इज व्हाट द मैजिक ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड इज. ऐसे ही हम ये बुक को प्रोपोगेट नहीं करते, बिकॉज दीज आर नॉट जस्ट बोलेंगे ना प्रैक्टिसेस, उन्होंने खुद का एक्सपीरियंस डाला है इसमें. और जब आप ये चीजें, और हमने जो इसको, जस्ट see when she has given it in the book, it's a different way, but when we do it in a way, where we are learning to go deeper and deeper and understanding, तब जाके हमारे अंदर वो फीलिंग्स आना शुरू होती है ना, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग कि यस रियली, क्योंकि सिर्फ लिखना नहीं होता है ग्रैटिट्यूड, यू हैव टू फील दैट ग्रैटिट्यूड, कि हाँ पेरेंट्स के लिए भी अगर मैं लिख रही हूँ तो यू हैव टू फील रियली फ्रॉम द हार्ट कि यस यार, सच में मेरे मम्मी पापा ने बहुत किया है मेरे लिए, यानी उन्होंने बचपन में हमारे लिए क्या नहीं किया होगा, नींद गवाई, दूध पिलाया, उनको नींद आती रहेगी तभी उठ के हमको दूध पिलाया, खांसी की दवा पिलाई होगी, ग्रेप वाटर पिलाया होगा। सो वी हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दिस एटलीस्ट। भले they might have been very strict with us, maybe they might have labeled us, maybe they might have said something very rude which has hurted you, and become a part of your life, बट देर आर, हमने मिरर वर्क में समझा ना कि देर आर अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द, इन द होल ऑफ अस, राइट? देर आर अदर पार्ट्स ऑल्सो, so you have to look into that part, which is really very good, which you have really achieved through from your parents, so that at least if you keep on being grateful for, you will see magical results. एंड आई एम रियली टेलिंग यू, अगर आपके मम्मी पापा अभी है ना, तो खुद जाके एक दिन बैठो, नहीं तो फोन पे उनके बात करो और बोलो उनको कि यार आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल दैट यू डिड दिस फॉर मी, you did that for me, see how nice they'll start feeling, and they'll start blessing you more, भले कितना भी issues उनके साथ में होने, तो maybe you're not getting along with them, or maybe because of their age they have become little irritable or anything, but the moment you will start saying thank you to them na, because we are here writing thank you gratitude, and if you directly go and tell them, you'll see a vast difference in your life. You'll start seeing the magics in your life. That is more important. So today's this thing chapter is on, just let me know if you can see the screen. Okay. Yeah. Chapter we were going to do yesterday, day 6. 5 days we had finished. Works like magic. Okay, this is related to your work. Today's chapter is on basically your career, your work, your job profile. Whether you are a housewife जो आप घर का काम करते हो, या फिर आप जो भी बाहर जाके काम करते हो, right? See, we have lots of responsibilities also along with doing the office work. So here, Tom Robbins says that if you take any activity, any art, any discipline, any skill, take it and push it as far as it will go, and push it beyond where it has ever been before. Push it to the wildest edges of edges, and then you force it into the realm of magic. That means that आप जो भी काम करते हो, कोई भी स्किल आप अपनाते हो, जो भी काम करते हो ना, उसको इतना अच्छे शिद्दत से करो, इतना मन लगा के करो, इतना इंटरेस्ट डाल के करो, दैट इट इट उसका जो फोर्स है ना, वो आपको एक अलग टाइप के मैजिक में लेके चले जाए. So how can it be that a person who is born with total poverty starts out with nothing and has very little education and goes on to become a president or a celebrity, or builds an empire and becomes one of the wealthiest people in the world? Like if you go to see Ambani, right? All these people, they had nothing. They were not much educated also. And how is it that the two people can start out in the same career, and yet one person's career goes from success to even greater success, while the other person works himself or herself into the ground with little success, no matter how hard they try? यानी अगर हम देखें कि बहुत सारे लोगों के अंदर कैपेबिलिटी नहीं होती है, ओके, हमने देखा होगा बहुत सारे लोग, पीपल हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड एट द एज ऑफ 40, 50, बट दे हैव बिल्ड एन एम्पायर. हाउ कम दे हैव बिल्ड एन एम्पायर, एंड हम इतने पढ़े लिखे होके भी वी आर नॉट एबल टू डू? बिकॉज दे हैड द skill. They put their selves into that, they understood what is necessary and they just put themselves into that. And then they saw कि yes, we can achieve whatever we want. So here she's saying that agar दो people, they are in the same career, but what happens कि one person gets success, the other person does not get success, while the other person works himself or herself into the ground, but उसको success नहीं मिलता है, how much ever hard they try. And what is the missing link here? The missing link to success is gratitude. Because according to the law of attraction, you have to be grateful for what you have to attract success to you. So without gratitude, it's impossible to have permanent success. यानी जब तक आप gratitude में नहीं आओगे, आज आपके पास जॉब है, हम फिर भी क्रिप करते हैं, हम बॉस के बारे में क्रिप करेंगे, हम कलीग्स के बारे में क्रिप क्रिप करेंगे, राइट? सो यू आर वर्किंग फॉर, अरे ये बॉस तो हमारे पास से पूरा काम कराता है, और ये मैनेजर तो हमारे पास से पूरा काम कराता है, और खुद अपना जो है ये लेके सक्सेस खुद लेके चले जाता है, अपना नाम बना लेता है, ऑल द थिंग्स ही गेट्स, दिस कंपनी इज हायरिंग मी,
This
मेकिंग मी डू
session, we
वर्क,
will discuss
बट
traveling
all
failure
the
common meaning.
profits but all the profits are going where? अक्षता मैम, आपका कुछ और भी चालू है क्या साथ में? सो हमारा कितना भी, यानी हमने हमने हमारे पास जॉब है, सब है, बट व्हाट आर वी डूइंग? वी आर ब्लेमिंग द कंपनी, वी आर कंप्लेनिंग। अगर आपने आपके जॉब में कंप्लेन डाल दिया ना, यू आर गोइंग 10 steps बिहाइंड द सक्सेस, यू विल नॉट गेट एनीथिंग, यू विल नॉट गेट एनीथिंग इन लाइफ। कि अगर आप काम भी कर रहे हो, बट आप उसके साथ कंप्लेन भी कर रहे हो, क्रिप भी कर रहे हो, वट एवर इज देयर, वेर एवर यू आर टूडे, द मोर यू स्टार्ट, सी वॉट डू यू वॉन्ट इन द करियर? हमको क्या चाहिए रहता है? रिस्पेक्ट, right? You want money, you want consistency, you want flow of work. So if you want all this, and if you keep on cribbing, do you think that you will be able to attract? No, you will not
No.
be able to attract. So to bring success or increase good things in your job or work, like opportunities, promotions, money, brilliant ideas, inspirations, and appreciation, it is essential to be grateful for your job or work. And the more gratitude you have, the more you will have to be grateful for. And you should be getting the idea by now that to increase anything in your life, you have to be grateful for what you already have. राइट? आपको जो भी अभी आपके लाइफ में है, जैसा भी जॉब है, बी वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. इफ यू वांट एनी प्रमोशन, यू वांट एनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज, यू वांट मोर मनी, you want कि I should get some good ideas to bring, good clients to my company, then definitely you should be in gratitude for whatever you have. Because the moment to bring success or increase the good things in your job or work, again, I'm repeating, like opportunities, promotions, money, brilliant ideas, inspirations, and appreciation in your job. If you want that all people in the office should, appreciate you. It is essential to be grateful for your job or work. Then the more gratitude you have, the more you will have to be grateful for. And you will see कि जैसे आपने gratitude करना शुरू कर दिया, instead of cribbing your current job, just keep on writing gratitude for your current job, कि at least I have a company. Think about the people who do not have job. Some people do not have job, right? Some people do not have the opportunity. Some go for interviews again and again, but they do not have job. Some people are there in the job, but their company is not paying them also on time. ऐसा भी होता है. So whatever you are getting currently, if you're getting your salary on time, if you have a good job, just praise, appreciate that job, just be grateful for that job. And you should be getting the idea by now that to increase anything in your life, you have to be grateful for what you already have. So if you have good job, if you have a good company, if you have good colleagues, if you have a good boss, even if you don't have a good boss, at least praise, be grateful that at least he's paying you the salary, or at least you have the job. You will see whoever has a gratitude for their work will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. And whoever does not have gratitude for their work, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. तो आप ध्यान करो कि आपने कब कब अपनी जॉब को थैंक यू बोला. कब तक आपने अपनी कंपनी को थैंक यू बोला? कब कब आपने वट एवर सैलरी यू आर गेटिंग, यू आर सेइंग थैंकफुल, बीइंग थैंकफुल फॉर दैट? So when you are grateful for your job, you will automatically give more to your work. And when you give more to your work, you will increase the money and the success that is returned to you. बहुत बार हमारे दिमाग में ये ख्याल आता है, अरे वो तो इतना ही मुझे सैलरी देता है, मुझे और इतना ज्यादा काम क्यों करना है, मुझे क्यों काम करना है? There is a person, there is an if you go on the YouTube, I'm not remembering that person's name. What he shared was कि when he started working, he's in abroad actually. So he says कि when he started working, he was getting only $10. But what he used to do, कि whenever any work is to be there, he used to go and ask his boss, this work is there, I'll do it for you. I'll get it done. I'll get it done. I'll do it. Don't worry, I will do it. And slowly, slowly, what happened? Ki another company came for, looking for good people, and that boss, that manager, he suggested that person, and now he's earning in billions and billions. you know he started getting so much dollars, he became very rich. How did he become rich? Because he did not say no to any work. He started working. He said ki whatever is there, I'll do it for you. So she's saying that when you're grateful for your job, you will automatically give more. आप ज्यादा दोगे आपके काम को. And when you give more to your work, you will increase the money and the success that is returned to you. आज नहीं मिलेगा. हो सकता है आपको ऐसा लगे कि आज मुझे मेरे जॉब से कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. हो सकता है in another 2 months or 3 months you get promoted to another company. हो सकता है you get an offer from another company. So the more you are grateful for your current job, you will see that you're getting more and more. So if you're not grateful for your job, you will automatically give less. So when you give less, you decrease what comes back to you. See, the law of attraction says what you give, you receive. First you have to give, then you have to receive. आप ऐसे बोलोगे कि मेरा बॉस मुझे पहले 5 लाख की सैलरी कर दे हर महीने, और मैं रिटर्न में कुछ भी ना दूं, ऐसे हो पॉसिबल होगा क्या? पहले आपको देना होगा. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गिव टू द कंपनी. यू हैव टू प्रूव टू द कंपनी दैट यस, आई एम गिविंग. एंड देन यू विल सी, यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग मोर. बी वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि एटलीस्ट यू हैव वर्क. किसी किसी के पास जॉब नहीं है. Some are not having money. Some are getting very less paid than what they deserve. बहुत सारी, but they are doing it just because they have to run the household. So remember, whatever you are getting, be very thankful for that. So say when you give less, you will get the result as less, and you will never be happy in your work, and you will never give more than you have to, and your job or work will stagnate and eventually deteriorate, which could mean losing your job. Okay, then you'll start losing your job also, because आपका interest चला जाएगा. अगर आपको ज्यादा पैसा नहीं आ रहा है, you are working, but that is why gratitude you have to add to your work. Add gratitude to your work. So remember, for those who do not have gratitude, even what they have will be taken from them. So the amount you give in gratitude is exactly proportional to the amount you receive in return. तो आप जितना gratitude करोगे आपकी current job के लिए, उतना आपको return मिलेगा. You control the amount you receive, and by the amount of gratitude you give. यानी आप जितना दोगे उतना रिटर्न में आएगा. आप थोड़ा दोगे तो थोड़ा रिटर्न में आएगा. आप ज्यादा दोगे तो आपको ज्यादा रिटर्न में आएगा. So if you are a business owner, or your business value will increase or decrease according to your gratitude. तो अगर आप बिजनेस भी चलाते हो, अगर आप बिजनेसमैन हो, तो भी अगर आप ग्रैटिट्यूड में नहीं रहते हो ना, तो यू विल लूज दैट. द मोर ग्रेटफुल यू आर फॉर योर बिजनेस, your customers and your employees, the more business will grow and increase. It is when the business owners stop being grateful and replace gratitude with worry that their business spirals down. तो जब आपका business, if the business owners अगर अपने आप को stop कर दे, if your company, you're the boss or the owner of the company, stops being grateful, okay, stops being grateful to the people who are working, to the clients whom is working with, you will see that their business goes down very fast. If you are a parent, एंड योर वर्क इज टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर चिल्ड्रन। तो ऐसे नहीं कि आप ऑफिस में काम कर रहे तो ही, if you are only a homemaker, only a parent also, so what is your work? To take care of your children and managing your home. बट अगर आप उसमें भी किट किट करते रहोगे, यार मुझे ये करना पड़ता है, ये मेरा जॉब नहीं है, रिटर्न में तो मुझे कुछ मिलता नहीं है, बट यू विल सी दैट यू आर decreasing your own success. So if you are a parent and your work is taking care of your children and managing your home, look for the things to be grateful for at this time in your life. जब यानी, see, the main thing is we don't think about what is happening now. We are always either in the past or we are always thinking about the future. But अभी currently क्या हो रहा है? I have children to look after. ठीक है यार, आज मेरा जॉब नहीं है, I lost my job or my job is not there. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. But at least that 2 months, 3 months, take care of your children very well. At least look into their needs. So if you are a parent and you're taking care of your house, you should see to it that you're doing all the things with your heart. It is often once in a lifetime opportunity, and when you can be grateful for this time, you will attract more support, more help, and more beautiful moments and more happiness to the experience. तो आप देखोगे जब आप ग्रेटफुल हो जाते हो कि एटलीस्ट आई हैव चिल्ड्रन एंड यू टेक केयर ऑफ देम, यू कुक फॉर देम, यू बिकम ना, you will start feeling happy and you will get more in return. So you should love your job, whatever it is, and be excited about going to work. And you should set, and you shouldn't settle for anything less. She's saying that also, you shouldn't settle for anything less. If you don't feel that way about your current job, or if it's not your dream job, the way to receive your dream job is by first being grateful for the job you have. तो अगर आप ऐसा भी चाहते हो कि यार आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विथ माई करंट जॉब, मुझे पैसा तो अच्छा मिलता नहीं है, आई हैव टू वर्क एंड स्लॉग लाइक फॉर मोर आवर्स. So instead of complaining, you just start being thankful for your current job, and you will see that you will receive your dream job. And the way to receive your dream job is for being grateful for the job you have. तो जो भी आपके पास करंटली जॉब है उसके लिए थैंक यू करना शुरू कर दो, एंड आप देखोगे कि यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग योर ड्रीम जॉब व्हाट यू वांट. So today, imagine that you have invisible manager. See, this is a very good thing. We all want managers, right, in our life. We want कोई तो होना चाहिए जो अपना हमारा काम पूरा पूरा कर दे, right? Now this is today's job is very easy for you all. You don't have to sit and write. You only have to go. Many people say ना, अरे हम कैसे करें, ऑफिस में तो रहते हैं हम, how do we feel grateful, how can we remain in gratitude? So today imagine that you have an invisible manager. You have to feel कि आपके शोल्डर पे there is an invisible manager sitting, okay, on your shoulder, and whose job it is to keep a record of the thoughts and the feelings you have about your job. तो आज अगर आप जॉब में जाओगे, सपोज नॉट टुडे यू आर नॉट गोइंग, टुमारो यू आर नॉट गोइंग, डे आफ्टर टुमारो यू आर नॉट गोइंग, मे बी यू आर ज्वाइनिंग ऑन मंडे, do this thing on Monday, then this practice will go to your Monday if you are on leave or something. So today imagine that you have an invisible manager जिसको आप, when you go to the work, when you go to your office, you are going to say for everything thank you, for your desk, for your job, for your company, for your laptop, for your computer, if you have any system, your printer, your whatever you have, pen stand on your table, your colleague, even the peon who serves you tea in the office, or at the entrance who's there to open the door for you. You have to feel very thankful for them. So imagine that your manager will follow you wherever you go today, poised with pen and notebook in hand. And every time you will find that something about your job to be grateful for, your manager will make a note of it. So you have to feel as if there is some person sitting on your shoulder. And आपको सिर्फ उसको command देना है कि listen manager, I'm write down this. I'm very grateful that I have a very good office to work. I have a very good job. Okay, so you have to just keep on saying. You don't have to write. इसमें writing कुछ नहीं है आज की practice में. So you just have to keep on saying. Your manager will make a note of it, and your job is to find as many things as you can to be grateful for. So at the end of the day, your manager has a long list of gratitude. And the longer the list, the more magic your invisible manager can bring to your money, work success, opportunities, enjoyment and fulfillment. तो आप जितना आपके मैनेजर यानी इनविजिबल मैनेजर इज अ समथिंग यू हैव टू इमेजिन कि समवन इज सिटिंग हियर हु इज हेल्पिंग यू टू नोट डाउन. तो आपको सिर्फ ओरली बोलना है इन योर माइंड कि प्लीज नोट डाउन that I'm very grateful to my office desk. I'm very grateful to the laptop I have. I'm very grateful to the peon who brings tea for me. I'm very grateful that this office serves me tea. I'm very grateful that in this office I have all the canteen facilities where I can go and sit and have a cup of tea or coffee. So, all these things about your work, when you go to your work, you're going to speak about this, orally to your invisible manager. If you want more money, you want more success, opportunities, enjoyment, and fulfillment, think about all the things you could be grateful for in your work. And to begin with, think about the fact that you actually have a job. Think about how many people are unemployed. Think करो कि आज सच में इतने सारे लोग in this country are unemployed. They go for interviews every day, but they are not reaching to that level. Then there are some people who have got the job, but they're much capable on that, but they are being paid less. The company says, you want to work, you work, otherwise don't work. So you have to begin with, think about the fact that you actually have a job. तो अपनी करंट जॉब के लिए थैंक यू बोलना शुरू करो. अगर आपको प्रमोशन चाहिए, ऑफिस में इंक्रीमेंट चाहिए, इंसेंटिव्स चाहिए, start being thankful for your current job. However it is, think about how many people are unemployed who would give anything to have a job. कोई भी आपको रिप्लेस कर सकता है, right? They're waiting. People want job who do not have job. So think about the time saving equipment you use, such as your phones, your printers. आपके ऑफिस में आपके पास इंटरनेट है, कंप्यूटर्स है, लैपटॉप है. Think about the people who you work with, those friendships, those colleagues, and the friendships you have with them. And think about the people who make your job easier. Some people come and help you suddenly, you know कि अरे मेरे से ये काम नहीं हो रहा, अरे मेरा प्रिंटर रुक गया, प्लीज कम एंड जस्ट हैव अ लुक व्हाई इट्स नॉट वर्किंग. और मे बी यू गॉट स्टक समवेयर, so that person comes and help you. Have you any time said thank you from the bottom of your heart? हम सिर्फ बोल देते यार थैंक यू, यू हेल्प मी फॉर दिस. बट डिड यू से थैंक यू फ्रॉम दैट? डिड यू फील यार रियली आज उसने मुझे आके हेल्प किया तो आई कुड गेट अवे विद दिस प्रोजेक्ट, आई कुड फिनिश दिस प्रोजेक्ट. So think about the people who make your job easier, such as the receptionist who takes your calls. Maybe you have assistant, maybe you have janitors who clean. Janitors are the people who clean the office. You have washrooms, they clean the washrooms. So imagine if you didn't have clean washrooms in your office, did you say thank you to your office washrooms anytime? So start saying thank you for that, for your janitors and the delivery people who deliver your things from here to there. आप कभी आप बैठे हो आपके टेबल पे ऑफिस में, यू से अरे प्लीज गिव दिस टू दैट पर्सन, दैट प्यून इज देयर, आप उसको आवाज देते हो अरे ये जाके जरा उधर दे दो. तो isn't that people helping you, right? Isn't the people helping you? You have to be very thankful for them. Think about how good it feels when you receive your paycheck. जब आपको सैलरी सैलरी मिलती है, how nice you feel. And think about the favorite aspects of your job that you love doing. And हो सकता है कि जब ये सैलरी तो आती है आप खुश फील करते हो, बट डिड यू से थैंक यू टू योर कंपनी? डिड यू से थैंक यू टू योर बॉस कि थैंक यू फॉर हायरिंग मी, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी दिस money, thank you for giving me salary on time every month. And your favorite aspects of your job that you love doing. और हो सकता है कि ये जॉब में कुछ ऐसी चीज हो जो आपको बहुत अच्छी लगती हो कि जिससे करने से you feel very nice, you feel really very happy, that I'm in a very good position. People, I command respect. So there are some things which you are doing in life. So have your invisible manager make a note each time you find something you are grateful for. तो आपको आज की प्रैक्टिस में कोई लिखना नहीं है. ओके, सो वेरी ओरली you're just going to go to the office. And when you go to the office, if you're not there now, if you're going after 2 days, 3 days, don't forget this practice. And then slowly you have to bring it into your daily routine by being grateful whenever you enter the office. Say thankful to your office, to your company, to your table, to your desk, to your job, to the colleagues who are there who are working with you. Be thankful for them. So, and how are you going to say, I'm so grateful for what? Okay, now we know the format. So you're going to say, I'm so grateful for the laptop which I have, which helps me to do my office work. I'm so grateful to the stable, and the cabin which they have given me in the office. It is amazing. I'm grateful, that we have an AC in the office that I can sit in the cool air and, work comfortably. आपके पास क्या क्या कंफर्ट है, आंखें खोल के बी अवेयर. We have lots in our life, but we are not being aware. We are only looking for what we don't have. So what you have, just, look at that and start being more grateful. Feel that feeling is more important. So the more deeply your manager can see you are feeling gratitude, the sooner your manager can start to make magic happen in your work. आपके करियर में, आपके वर्क में आप देखोगे, you will get miraculous results, and the more magic will be created. It is possible that you could generate so much gratitude for your work in one day that you would see the circumstances instantly improve. आप एक दिन सिर्फ करके देखो ये प्रैक्टिस, और उसके बाद आप आपका माइंडसेट देखो, आपके अंदर की फीलिंग देखो, and the more you will start becoming, you enter the office, you say thank you, you who opens the door, peon, you start saying, smiling at him, thank you for everything, wishing him good. And when you say, just don't say just good morning, talk to that person, talk to that peon also, कि good morning, how was your day today, क्या किया आज, चाय पिया तुमने, क्या करके आए आज, बीवी ने डब्बा दिया. Simple things, of being grateful, just by talking to them, asking them, and just saying, यार तुम बहुत अच्छा काम करते हो, इधर खड़े रह के हमारा ये लाना करना, हमको चाय लाके देना. Just praise, appreciate, see, we all like appreciation, बट हम लोग है ना, जो छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं ना, उनको ही अप्रिशिएट करना भूल जाते हैं. वी वॉन्ट अप्रिसिएशन, बट आर वी गिविंग अप्रिसिएशन? Remember that also. So appreciate all the good things. So it is possible that you could generate so much gratitude for your work in one day that you would see the circumstances instantly improve. Lucky breaks don't happen by accident. They are simply gratitude's magical power at work. So don't expect, अगर आपको कुछ luckily कुछ मिल जाता है ना, कुछ promotion, कुछ incentive, कुछ increment, it does not happen by accident. Somewhere, if you have already said thank you in your mind, then it has worked. They are simply gratitude's magical power at work. If this works like magic, practice falls on the weekend. See, she's giving you the example also. Ki if you are doing this practice today, it is on a weekend. And when you are not at work, move on to the next day's practice or practices and go back and use this magical practice on the first day you are back at work. So if you're now not in the office, not you're not going tomorrow in the office, and we are doing it today. जो ऑफिस में जा रहे हैं वो कल ही करो ये. एंड जो ऑफिस में नहीं जा रहे हैं, whenever you go back to your office, make it a point that you do this practice. So works like magic. Repeat the steps 1 to 3 of the magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. Okay? जब आप लिख लेते हो, हर एक सेंटेंस को पढ़ो and feel and say thank you, thank you, thank you. Gratitude for each one. And while at work today, imagine you have invisible manager है आपके पास, who is doing all your work, who is taking down your notes, right? आप ऐसे समझो कि आपके पास एक पर्सनल असिस्टेंट आ गया है. यू डोंट हैव टू सिट एंड राइट नाउ टुडे, and you are telling him, that I'm grateful for this, please note it down, I'm grateful for this. So your job today is to look for as many things as you are grateful for, and have your manager make a note each time. Command करो उसको, feel करो कि that manager is sitting on your right shoulder, and just say कि manager, make note down, कि I'm really grateful for my computer. I'm really grateful to this peon, who brings tea every day for me on my table. So have your manager make a note each time you find something you're grateful for by saying, I'm so grateful for what? Okay, and feel as grateful as you can. And just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Tomorrow's chapter is very important, magical way out of negativity. So be there. Any questions from today's chapter? Ashwini ma'am and Prashant ji, happy anniversary to both of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're like enjoying,
Happy
enjoying.
anniversary.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Have a blessed togetherness and enjoy. You know, these moments don't come. So whatever moment you're getting, even if the smallest vada pav, tea, whatever you eat, you know, in that also just be grateful that you got this time to be together with each other, you know, and have this. You know, enjoy the travel, enjoy the place, you know, be thankful to that dharti maa of that place, you know, उस प्लेस की धरती जो धरती है उसको भी, you know, just say thank you, you know. The more you will say thank you when you travel, remember to that place, you attract more travel destinations. This is my experience. Back to back, I travel. This weekend also, I was out. So it is like, hi.
Hi.
So the more you become grateful, you will see the magical results. It takes time, but your practices bring you to that. If you're practicing, yes, definitely. If you are orally also just feeling, you know, when you look at the sky, you know, just look at the sky and just say thank you, you know, to the air element, to the sky element. You know, if you see water, you know, just be thankful to the water element there, and you'll see how much you are going to attract. You'll start attracting more travel destinations. Okay. Any questions from today's chapter? Anything, any practice, not understanding? Any other question? Any other question? We'll write gratitude for 10 minutes. Can we write? Chalo, let's start writing gratitude. You all want to continue? You all both continue. Otherwise, you all want to enjoy your, you all enjoy.
We did not bring the book to write the gratitude, but yeah, we repeat it in maybe in the mind and
At least orally keep on saying whenever
yeah,
you are there out.
yeah,
Okay.
sure, ma'am.
Yeah. That is more important. You feel and, you know, say it. That is more important. So let's start writing gratitude for parents first. Okay. So we'll start writing for gratitude for mummy. देखो आप थोड़े दिन पेरेंट्स के लिए लिखना शुरू करोगे ना, you will see lots and lots of difference, you know, lots and lots of difference you will see in your happiness. You will start seeing success because you are connecting with your source energy. Your source energy is your parents. Okay. तो आप जितना उनके लिए थैंक यू लिखोगे, सो आई एम ट्रूली ग्रेटफुल. कमन आज एक एक बोलो. आज अपनी मम्मी के लिए आप खुद बोलो, मुझे एक एक सुनाओ. चलो, आप किस किस के लिए ग्रेटफुल हो?
मैम लास्ट थर्सडे मम्मी मुझे लंच ट्रीट पे लेके गई थी, तो आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट.
ओके. एंड अक्षता मैम, any, you know, previous also, what you are grateful for your past?
Uh, I'm truly grateful for my mother because she is very strong and she made us to learn that way how to be become how to be a as a woman, how to become a strong person everywhere. So how to go in a straight way. So in that way, so for that I'm grateful to her.
Very good. Yes, Ashwini ma'am, you want to say
Yeah,
something?
yeah, ma'am. I was in a bad situation, and somehow that happens every time. My mother sends it, and yeah, we daily have video call, whatever it is. But my mom called me separately and asked, "What is happening with you? Tell me." Otherwise, I don't bother them. I generally don't bother them, telling them I'm facing this, I'm having this situation. But that day, I literally wanted somebody to console me, somebody to tell me not to worry. So that day mom called me and asked me. Then I went out everything with her, and her each and every word gave me so much, what do you say? I felt relaxed and relieved, and I'm really grateful that for my mother.
See, that is how parents, that is why I say if your parents are there, just feel the gratitude, ki previously also what they have done for us, from the childhood, or orally baat karke unko bata do ki I am very grateful, you did so much for me. So see how we get connected, see now also when you talk, at least they might not be able to solve a problem, but just speaking, just that speaking their words console us so much, you know so that is very important, because that is why I always say na, ki parents are source energies. Keep on talking to them, ठीक है, you don't want to bother, like my children don't want to bother me, they don't want me to take tension, so they do not, many times they do not share with me few things, which they feel, my mother will start getting tensed or she'll get bothered. Yes, but whatever they want to share, they definitely share. So, see, you also feel nice, and I am not helping in any solution. I might not find solutions for their office work or anything, but only they just speak out to me, they feel nice. Ki, yaar, at least I spoke. Just now, my daughter was only calling in between and I cut the phone. So, like even if she'll go to the spa, even if she'll go for a manicure pedicure, no, she'll call me. कि मम्मी मेरे पास कूपन पड़ा हुआ था, today was the validity last day, so I did that. So it's like very simple things also she'll call me and she'll tell me. So you should be, like that. See, there anyhow, see, I always say कि parents ने हमको label किया होगा, parents ने हमको डांटा होगा, parents ने हमको बहुत कुछ बुरा भी बोला होगा, but you have to forget that and look at the good things what they did for us and just be grateful for that. Okay? Chalo, let's write. So I'm truly grateful. यश प्रशांत जी, आप भी बोलो कुछ मम्मी के बारे में. Why you are grateful to your mother?
But you want me to be honest, or
Honest.
I don't have such great feeling, ma'am.
Why?
पता नहीं.
So even see what I always say, even see I had lots of negative feelings against my parents because they had hit me and all, during my marriage and all. But see, the moment you forgive, you forgive and you just focus on the good things. बचपन में कुछ तो किया होगा ना आपके लिए. Maybe she put you the uniform, maybe one day you had fallen, she consoled you. At least remember those good moments. Okay?
But those are so old, right? I mean, last 10, 15 years, I don't have anything great to recollect. I try to forget what's happening.
Your parents are there, na?
I'm in Ooty, 2 hours from my parents' place. They just called saying wishing, but no invitation even to say, okay, are you coming home? It's just 2 hours from here. We've driven 7 hours from Bangalore all the way here. They just called now. So tomorrow we're leaving back to Bangalore. But even, I mean, I don't expect them to really expect us home. And even we will not go there. That's a different thing. But even a courtesy call saying, okay, why don't you come home, have lunch and go? Even that courtesy is not there. So every time I think I'll surprise them, but they surprise me each time. I mean, they shock me each time, not surprise, but I've become like a stone, ma'am. I've become like a stone.
That is what I'm saying. No, you have not forgiven. You need to forgive the people, however they have done wrong to you. It is not for them. It is for your betterment. When your soul will get free, na, Prashanji, you will start getting the real happiness because you have forgiven your parents also. When I did that, na, I really cried a lot. I really cried a lot. Because I used to, after my marriage, I used to tell my in-laws, यार कोई अपने बच्चे को इतना कैसे मार सकता है just because she did love marriage, or how can they do, because I used to always feel कि how can a parent do like that to their own child, where कि हम ये बोलते हैं कि पेरेंट्स हमेशा अपनी खुशी चाहते हैं, अपने बच्चों की खुशी चाहते हैं. तो मुझे भी वो फीलिंग हमेशा रहता था, बट देन slowly when you start releasing your negative emotions, release them, write it down, whatever feeling comes now. See, you get angry, whatever the feeling comes on them also.
आपके केस में एटलीस्ट रीजन है ना गुस्सा होने में. मैंने अरेंज मैरिज किया था।
नहीं तो फिर भी देखो, अरेंज मैरिज में भी इश्यूज होते हैं। अरेंज मैरिज में भी इश्यूज होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि लव मैरिज किया तो ही इश्यूज होते हैं, अरेंज मैरिज में भी इश्यूज होते हैं। बट व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज यू जस्ट कीप ऑन सेइंग, यू राइट डाउन योर फीलिंग्स। आपको जो भी फीलिंग आता है ना, आप लिखो कि हाँ, मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है कि माय पेरेंट्स बिहेव विथ मी लाइक दैट, आई रियली गेट एंग्री कि हाउ कैन दे डू लाइक दैट विथ मी, दे डू नॉट कॉल मी ऑल्सो, राइट इट डाउन, पुट इट डाउन इन द राइटिंग, because
हम्म
those feelings, when you will write it down now, you will be able to vent it out. See, you are not able to speak up. Just now you told me that you don't have any genuine feelings for them, ऐसे कुछ feeling ही नहीं आती है उनके लिए. Why? Because somewhere some incident or experiences have happened where you have not forgiven them. तो भूल जाओ, all those things which have happened before or anything. It's okay. मैं उनका लाड़का नहीं हूं तो it's okay. When you start saying that self talk to yourself, कि okay, if I am not their pet son or I am not their ladka son, it's okay. I love them. I love them. You should, when you start speaking about, to yourself like that, कि I love them. कितना भी हो वो मेरे parents से, I love them, I forgive them. Start talking to yourself that way. अपनी self talk में वो लाओ. Don't say that I don't
हम्म
get feelings. I can understand your situation because I've gone through that. तो कि आपकी feelings नहीं आएगी, but it's okay. My parents तो चलो, मुझे तो 6 महीने के बाद बुला लिया था, we started talking, then slowly after 4 years, 3-4 years, the relationship was very good and all that. Then they started coming to my place and everything also. So few years my children got to see their nani, hear their stories and everything also. So it's okay. But then, you know, I think you should you should learn to forgive.
हम्म
Today make a promise to yourself. Yes, I
ओके
forgive. I forgive them for whatever has happened, maybe any incident, any experiences. Because forgiveness is not for other people. Remember, anyone does anything to you, let it be your friend, your colleague, your boss, your manager, your sister, your brother, your parents, your in-laws, anyone. The moment anything happens, immediately sorry bolo. अपने आप, यानी you say I forgive those people because they don't know what they have done.
हम्म
And because that forgiveness is, I'm telling you, it's not for the other people. It is for your soul. You want to get free and go from here. Remember, when you leave this earth, you should be free of all these things. It is the circle. हमारा जो कर्मा का सर्कल होता है ना, उसको यहीं पे कंप्लीट करना. और जब आप यहीं पे कंप्लीट करोगे ना, then you will see that you don't have to come back again and again to learn those lessons. So आप यहीं पे उसको कंप्लीट करो, because when you forgive, you are completing a circle with your parents. You need to complete a circle. हमारा किसी के साथ में भी, when we have any issues, it is let it be your boyfriend, let it be your ex-friend, let it be your ex-husband, जो भी आपका जो कार्मिक सर्कल होता है ना, जब तक आप उसको कंप्लीट नहीं करोगे ना, यू विल कम बैक अगेन टू लर्न दोस लेसन्स. तो बेटर ना एक ही जीवन में कंप्लीट करो ना उसको. क्यों लेके जाना है, and come back, and bring again the same thing in your life and attract the same things in your life, because you are not completing the circle with them. You will attract the same type of parents in the next birth. You will attract same type of boss, or same type of brother, or same type of brother and sister, who will have the same type of nature and same type of way of behaving with you. So better है यही पे circle complete करो उसको. Forgive. Lord, today promise yourself and forgive them.
ओके बाय.
Enjoy today's day. Go. I feel today we should not have this talk. Today is the best day of your life. We should not go into any thing. But really, I'm telling you, finish the karma circle here only and go, because the more you keep it in your heart, the more you don't forgive such people. See, people will do wrong to you. You will have people coming into your life. And when you look into that, when you ask yourself, ये आज जो मेरे साथ हुआ, वो किसके लिए हुआ? What did God wanted to tell me through this? इसमें जरूर कुछ ना कुछ था. But I did not look at it. When you will ask this question to yourself, you will see you'll get an answer through that, and that is your lesson learned. Because जब तक आपका lesson complete नहीं होता है ना, those patterns will keep repeating again and again in any form.
Hmm.
Those patterns will come in any form.
Mhm.
So try to just complete the circle.
Hmm.
So let's write at least for 5-10 minutes. I'm truly grateful to my mummy because she fed me with good, healthy food when I was in her womb. अगर मम्मी ध्यान नहीं देती, see there are some people, some ladies who are pregnant, they do not get to eat food, proper healthy food. Okay, but हमारे पेरेंट्स ने वो केयर लिया हमारे लिए. So you have to be very grateful for that. See, there is very deeper sense in this to understand. So I'm truly grateful to my mummy because she caught my finger and taught me. देखो, मैं अभी आपको थोड़ा और डीपर डीपर लेवल पे लेके जा रही हूँ. एंड taught me how to walk. जब आपने शुरू किया होगा चलना, एटलीस्ट ये सब के लिए तो हम ग्रेटिट्यूड फील कर सकते हैं ना. ठीक है, अभी बाकी की चीजें हमारे साथ में इश्यूज हुए या जो भी, बट एटलीस्ट बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर कि बचपन में जब हम पैदा नहीं हुए थे और जब हमको, या जब हम 1-2 साल के हो रहे थे, तब तक तो हमारे पेरेंट्स ने अच्छा किया हमारे साथ में. सो आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू माई मम्मी because she made my favorite food for my tiffin box. मम्मी ने आपका फेवरेट फूड बना के दिया होगा. आपने जब बोला होगा कि मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है, आज ये बनाओ. Those things we don't remember. बहुत सारे लोगों को ध्यान भी नहीं है. Because the more you start writing ना, धीरे धीरे you will realize कि you are remembering now. I'm truly grateful to my mummy because आप आपकी मम्मी का लिखो. आप जो अम्मी बुलाते थे, अम्मी बुलाते हो, अम्मा बुलाते हो, आप वो लिखोगे. And whatever you feel, you can write that also if you're not resonating with what I'm making you write. I'm truly grateful to my mummy because she made good designed shalwar kurta for me to wear. आप देखो आपकी मम्मी ने आपके लिए क्या बनाया कपड़ों में, या कपड़े सिलाए होंगे आपके लिए, राइट. सो आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू माय मम्मी बिकॉज she bought my favorite compass box of Barbie for me. हमारे टाइम पे ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स आता था, प्लेन कंपास बॉक्स आते थे, बट दैट बार्बी टाइप एंड ऑल दोज वर वेरी कॉस्टली. Now let's read the whole one sentence and then say thank you, thank you, thank you to your mother. Really grateful to my mommy because she fed me with good healthy food when I was in her home. Thank you, mommy. Thank you. They will say thank you. I'm truly grateful to my mommy because she caught my finger and taught me how to walk. So just feel that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm truly grateful to my mommy because she made my favorite food for my tiffin box. Thank you, mommy, for making that favorite food of mine. I'm truly grateful to my mommy because she made good designer shalwar kurta for me to wear. I'm truly grateful to my mummy because she bought my favorite compass box of Barbie for me. Thank you, mummy. Thank you for all that you have done for me. Dil se feel karo and just say thank you. And if your parents are there, please call them up and speak to them and say that you all are very grateful for whatever they have done. Gratitude for papa करेंगे या डैडी, जो भी आप बोलते हो, अप्पा. अप- Akshita ma'am, you were supposed to call me that day. You didn't call me, I think, for that native thinker you were talking. I
Actually,
have
actually,
told
yeah, yeah.
you.
Actually, I was not make time. I'm not making time after coming home. I will not comfortable to
Okay, but you
express
keep on
anything.
when you're speaking, just say I have enough time. Okay? Don't say I don't have
Okay.
time when I come
Mm.
back. Just say
Yeah.
I try to manage my time. Okay? They always say also, कि हम
Uh,
कभी ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, hope you get well
okay.
soon. I hope this for you. You should always not say that, And this my daughter started saying first. I did not realize that time, but now I realize. You should say, trust everything is going to be good. Trust, that it is really worth buying. Trust whatever gift you have got is
Hope.
good.
Than hope.
Huh. Because you are believing, you are creating trust in your mindset. You're not hoping because हम hope में ही रह जाते हैं फिर. That we do not believe. Hope is like we do not believe. So try to do that. So I'm truly grateful. चलो पापा के लिए लिख लेते हैं. Then we'll wind up. So I'm truly grateful to my papa for picking me up on his shoulder when I cried with any pain. I am truly grateful, पापा डैडी जो भी आप बोलते हो, to my daddy because आप अभी आपका खुद का लिखो, because you bought that white smoking frog for which I cried a lot. And demanded it. आप आपका लिखो. So I am truly grateful to my daddy because You spent money to get that musical shoes when I started walking. I am truly grateful to my daddy. आप देखो आपको क्या याद आता है उन्होंने क्या because you bought tricycle for me when I was 2 years old. Whatever you remember, your father spent money or bought for you, you're going to write that. So I'm truly grateful to my daddy because you bought new raincoat every year for me in the rainy season. You remember what you feel? And once you have written at least 5, read them. Read each sentence again. I'm truly grateful to my papa for picking me up on his shoulder when I cried with pain. Thank you, Daddy, for relieving me of the pain. I'm truly grateful to my daddy because you bought the white smoking frock which I demanded when for my school function. Thank you, Daddy. They will say thank you. I'm truly grateful to my daddy because he spent money to get the musical shoes when I started walking. I'm truly grateful to my daddy because you bought the tricycle for me when I was 2 years old. I'm truly grateful to my daddy because you bought new raincoat every year in the rainy season. Thank you. Thank you for spending all the money and taking care of me and my needs. Thank you, Daddy. Feel that thank you from the bottom of your heart. Thank you, Daddy, for providing me everything. What you could do in your way, in the best way. I'm really very sorry if I have said any wrong to you. Please forgive me. Thank you, Daddy, for all that you have done for me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Feel that thank you from the bottom of your heart and just say thank you. And you'll see the difference, in few days, in the, few months, you will start attracting so much in your life, the happiness, the time, the energy, what you want, the increments, the promotions, everything starts pouring out because you are being grateful. So just start doing that and be into this gratitude practices, right? Count your blessings every day. What scan your day, आपने पूरे दिन में क्या क्या किया, and write it. If not at night, then next morning, tomorrow, because we do the session at night. Next morning when you get up tomorrow, so scan today's day, like what you did, what you ate. Be thankful for the food you ate, the water, the cup of coffee you had, the transport system you had to travel to the office, you had money for the petrol, anything you bought while coming back home, or while going to the office. Be thankful for that. Even the smallest thing, the rickshaw wala took you. Like I'd gone yesterday for my laptop repairing. So the rickshaw wala took, I found one rickshaw wala, one was not ready to come, another one came. So be thankful, you know. He did, at least he came to drop you. Money is a separate part, but at least you got it on time. You didn't have to carry the bag and everything. So just be thankful for all the smallest things you're getting, and you'll see the miraculous results in your life. Okay. So thank you all for joining. Let's wind up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, have a blissful night. Enjoy.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.